RP films. Many friends have said to me that I've quit playing RuneScape because you need to be a member to do great things. So I guess here we start a RuneScape riot. So let's get a watch through the trailer. Let's see if we let's see what RuneScape is about. Only if you're a member can explore the first world. Yeah, that's possible. That's not possible for free. You need to be a member. You need to be a member. You don't need to be a member. You need to be a member. You need to be a member in all cases. Even the map or the world of RuneScape you can't explore. You see? You need to be a member to do it all. You can't do it for free. I just want to please Jagex if they watch my movie. Just please, let us explore the other lands of RuneScape. We are limited, and we don't like it. My friends, my 10 friends, are quit playing RuneScape. And I'm sure that in time, all players that are free will quit because all the things are limited. If you agree with me, just get a comment and say you agree with me. If you are on the Jagex part, just say 2 on the comment. RuneScape Riot has begun. Goodbye.